Oh, good. Do it one more time. Can you do it one more time for Mommy? Do it again. Nolan, can you do it the lawnmower one more time? Come and do the lawnmower. Come on. Okay, he says. Oh, you gotta do the lawnmower for Mommy. Can you do the lawnmower? Yeah. Oh, I love you too. Okay, go do the lawnmower for Mommy. Go do the lawnmower. Make the noise. Okay, here, I'll do it. Can Mommy try? Go ahead, your turn. Nolan's turn. Nolan's turn. Nolan. Nolan. Can you show Grandma? Show Grandma. Yeah, Grandma. Show it. Do the lawnmower. Yay! Very good. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah, good job. Nolan, what does an elephant say? Okay, what does a sheep say? What does a cow say? What does a dog say? What does a doggy say? Okay, what does a monkey say? Remember? Good job, you're doing it. What does a birdie say? Show me with your fingers. Yeah, good job. Oh, good job. What does an elephant say?